Computer software and its types. Computer system. A computer system works with the help of two main components, hardware and software. All the physical parts of a computer that can be seen and touched are called hardware. The hardware devices are used to enter, store, and process data. Monitor, mouse, keyboard, CPU cabinet, and printer are some hardware devices. Computer hardware cannot perform any action on its own. It needs instructions to perform any task. Software is a set of programs and related data that is used to give instructions to the hardware. In other words, software directs and guides the operations, input, process, and output of a computer system. We cannot touch the software like hardware. The computer games, stored audio-video files, the document programs, and the operating system environment all together make up the software components of a computer system. Types of software. Software can be classified into the following categories. System software. System software performs the basic and principal functions of a computer. It controls the overall working of a computer system. System software is the interface between hardware and the user. This interface is required because computer hardware understands only binary language, that is 0 and 1. We humans speak many languages but not the binary language. System software converts all human instructions into machine understandable language and vice versa. Based on its function, system software is further classified into three main types: operating system, language processor, and utility software. Operating system. An operating system, OS, is the most important software without which we cannot work on a computer system. It is the first software installed in a computer. It allows us to communicate with the computer. It helps us to give instructions and get our work done on the computer. A computer cannot run without an operating system. It serves as an interface between the user and the hardware. Features of an operating system. Some of the important features of an operating system are as follows. An operating system controls the working of all input and output devices attached to a CPU. No other software can run on a computer unless it has an operating system. It manages memory of a computer system. All the work done on a computer is stored in the form of files and folders. An operating system enables the users to create and manage files or folders for sorting data and information on a computer. It controls the working of the processor by assigning different jobs to it. Language processor. A computer has different types of software stored in it. Each software is created by writing specific programs in computer languages. Some of the popular computer languages are C, C++, C#, Python, and Java. A computer understands only machine language that comprises of zeros and ones. Therefore, a computer is unable to understand the programs written in any other computer languages. That is why a computer system requires a language processor that translates a program written in a computer language into machine language. The examples of language processors are explained here. Assembler. This language processor converts the code written in assembly language into machine language. Interpreter. It translates the program code line by line and simultaneously executes the converted line. If any errors are found, it displays the error and does not proceed till the error is rectified, and then repeats the procedure for the remaining instructions. Compiler. It converts the whole program into equivalent machine code in one go. It generates the object code for the program along with the list of errors. Utility software. Utility software are the programs that perform specific tasks such as managing a computer, its devices, and programs stored in it. These programs help in the smooth and proper functioning of a computer system, moreover, increase its efficiency. These are additional programs installed in a computer system. Some examples of utility software are as follows. Antivirus software. It is installed in a computer system to protect it from virus attack. A virus is a harmful computer program that disturbs the normal functioning of a computer. An antivirus program scans the disk to detect the viruses and removes them. Norton, AVG, and Avira are some of the popular examples of antivirus software. Disk defragmenter. In a computer system, there might be some files whose contents are spread across different locations on a hard disk. This may delay the opening of a file. Disk defragmenter rearranges the files by storing them in adjacent locations, which eventually combines the unused space to form adjoining blocks. As a result, a computer runs faster. Backup utility software. It helps in keeping a backup or copy of the important data files on a storage device periodically. It helps in recovering data if lost or damaged. Application software. Application software is a set of programs designed to carry out a specific task, such as listening to music, creating a document, a presentation, and so on. Such software are installed on a computer system depending upon the requirements of a user. The application software can be further classified into two categories, which are general purpose application software and specific purpose application software. General purpose application software. General purpose application software are designed to perform the general tasks which are usually performed by a large number of people. Some popular examples of application software are described here. Word processing software. This type of software helps in creating text-based documents such as stories, essays, letters, articles, and so on. A word processing provides many features to create, format, edit, and print the text as well as graphics as per the user's requirement. Some examples of word processing software are Word, WordPerfect, and OpenOffice.org Writer. Spreadsheet software. This software helps us to organize data in rows and columns to perform calculations, analyze data, and create graphs and charts based on the data. A spreadsheet software is specifically designed to handle numerical data. Some examples of spreadsheet software are Excel, Lotus 123, and OpenOffice.org Calc. DBMS, Database Management System. This software program enables us to store a large amount of data in an organized manner. A DBMS can store details about employees, members, students, customers, products, and so on. Some examples of DBMS software are Oracle, Access, FoxPro, and OpenOffice.org Base. Presentation software. This application software is used to create and design electronic or digital presentations. Some examples of presentation software are PowerPoint and OpenOffice.org Impress. Graphics software. This type of software allows us to create and modify various types of images, graphics, cartoons, and a lot more. Some popular examples of graphics software are Adobe Photoshop and CorelDRAW. Multimedia software. This type of software allows us to play and create interactive material which may include images, text, audio, video, and graphic animations. Some examples of multimedia software are Adobe Director and Adobe Animate. Web browser. A web browser is a software that enables us to view the web pages on the internet. Some of the popular examples of web browsers are Google Chrome, Opera, Microsoft Edge, Mozilla Firefox, and Safari. Specific Purpose Application Software. Specific Purpose Application Software is designed to meet the specific requirements of an organization or an individual. This type of software is also known as customized software or tailor-made software. The instances of this type of software include billing system used at general store or restaurant, reservation system used at airports and railway stations, booking system at hotels, result generation software used at schools, and so on. Difference between system software and application software. System software, application software. This software controls the overall working of a computer system. This type of software refers to a set of programs designed to carry out a specific task. In a computer system, it is must to have an operating system in order to run a computer as well as an application software. An application software cannot run on its own. It requires a system software to function. Examples: operating system, utility software, disk defragmenters, and so on. Examples: word processor, web browser, spreadsheet, graphics software, and so on.
Quick recall. Software is a set of programs and related data that are used to give instructions to the hardware. A system software is required to control the operations of a computer system. An operating system controls the working of all input and output devices attached to a CPU. A language processor translates a program written in a computer language into machine language. An application software is a set of programs designed to help the user to perform specific tasks.